बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। रटना नहीं है, समझना है। My name is Sajida Raza. I am a student of class 4. My school name is Faizan Islamic School System, Hyderabad, Pakistan. Today we are going to learn grade 8 O-level maths for O-level science commerce group, new syllabus mathematics book 3 7th edition, chapter number 1 quadratic equation and functions. Exercise 1.1 solving quadratic equations by completing the square. Basic level A3 type question. Question number 2, solve each of the following equation giving your answer correct to decimal place where necessary. So also the book answers and the steps are written. You can see it. We are going to start this book theory. So for from solve QE also are written and we are going to do the 2-1. So the first step is take radical on both sides. Okay. So now here will come 7 minus 3x whole square is equal to radical 9 upon 16 plus minus. Then split into two equations. So here will become 7 minus 3x is equal to 9 upon 16. Then 7 minus 3x is equal to minus 9 upon 16. Then take out the square root. So here will come 7 minus 3x is equal to 3 upon 4. Then 7 minus 3x is equal to minus 3, then 9 plus. Now first of all I will solve this, then this. So now take LCM and get minus 25 upon 4. So this 7 will be go there. So this will become 3 upon 4 minus 7 upon 1. Now we will take the LCM. So here will come the bracket. This, then 4, 3 minus 4 7 is 4 5 is 20, 4 6 is 28. Okay. Now then here will become in this next step minus 3x is equal to minus 25 upon 4. Now this minus 3 will become here. So this will come multiplied by minus 3. Then here will become x. The remaining one I am writing here. So I have no space. 25 upon minus 12 and minus this will be cut. So here will become 25 upon 12. Then x is equal to 2 1 upon 12. Okay. Now here we will do so. This 7 will be go there minus 7. Minus 7 upon 1. Then we'll take LCM. So take LCM and get minus 24 upon 4. Done this and minus 31 upon 4. Solve and get roots. So here will become this 4 minus 3 multiplied by minus 3 minus 28 minus 3x. Now minus 3x is equal to minus 31 upon 4 will become here. So this minus 3 will be go there. This will come minus 3 upon 4 multiplied by minus 3. Then x is equal to minus 3 upon plus minus a minus 4 3 is 12. 4 3 is 12. So this will be cut and 31. 31 will be remaining. Okay, so we have taken out, then x is equal to 2 7 upon 12 will become here, and then get roots. So here will become, yes, roots are 2 7 upon 12 or 2 1 upon 2, and this is become our answer. So the book answers are written, you can check it. 2 whole 7 upon 12, 2 whole 7 upon 12, 2 or 2 whole 1 upon 2 or 2 whole 1 upon 2. Okay, thank you. No like, no subscribe, only share. Oh, sorry, here will come 12. So 1 upon 12, it simple mean 2 whole 1 upon 12, 2 whole 1 upon 12. Okay, now simple mean this is correct. Thank you. No like, no subscribe, only share.